Fish live in water and are called aquatic animals. There are many animals that live in water that we think are fish, but they are actually not. Whales, dolphins, octopus, cuttlefish and jellyfish are aquatic-like fish. They belong to other different groups of organisms. Fish are aquatic animals. They are vertebrates, animals with a backbone. Fish live in almost all large water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, streams, seas and oceans. Some fish live close to the surface of the water, while some live very deep below, near the ocean bed. Some fish eat plants that grow in the water bodies, while some eat smaller fish and other aquatic animals. A fish has a streamlined body. It is narrow from both ends and broad in the center, just like a boat or ship. This shape helps it cut through the water easily. Fish are covered with overlapping scales. Scales help reduce friction and allow smooth movement through water. Fish have tails which help them to steer their way through water, change direction and stop. A fish breathes with the help of gills that help to absorb oxygen dissolved in water. Gills are thin slits on a fish body that allow water to flow over them. Oxygen dissolved in water is absorbed and carbon dioxide is given out of the body through gills.